The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is a compact luxury SUV that combines elegant design with advanced technology and a comfortable interior. It's available in 3 trim levels: Premier, Reserve, and Grand Touring. Design and features. The Corsair's exterior features signature Lincoln design elements, including a signature grille and sleek lines. Inside, the cabin is made with high-quality materials, offering passengers a calm and luxurious environment. Standard features include leather seating and a comprehensive infotainment system. Corsair Performance offers several powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid variant on the Grand Touring model. This model combines a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, providing efficient performance suitable for a variety of driving conditions. The 2025 Corsair is equipped with advanced driver assistance technology. Specifically, it offers Lincoln Blue Cruise, which allows hands-free driving on compliant sections of divided highways called hands-free blue zones. This system includes features such as lane change assist and in-lane repositioning, which improve driving comfort and safety. Pricing for the 2025 Lincoln Corsair starts at $40,980 for the Premier trim, with the Reserve trim starting at $48,135. The top-level Grand Touring model, which includes a plug-in hybrid powertrain, starts at $55,860. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is available for purchase in the United States. For international availability, including in Indonesia, it is recommended to contact your local Lincoln dealer or authorized importer for further details.